Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this crisscross chair. This thing looks super easy to assemble, so I'm excited to get started. This is such a soft velvet. It comes in many different colors. I got the gray one sent to me, and it is so soft. It's actually got a double cushion on here. It was packaged really well. Came with instructions to put it together. So let's get to work. This is your backrest and your seat here. So it does come with all the tools you need with a little ribbon installed on it. So that way as it's sticking out of the box, you can easily find all of your tools that you need. So that's a really neat little thing there. And we've got our little hydraulic pump and our wheels. So the width of this seat is 25.59 by 18.11 deep. So that's a lot of room to be able to stretch out, put your legs out, do your crisscross. But we will get it all put together and check it out here. So according to our instructions, first thing we need to do is make our little star base. So we've got our star right here. And we are just going to slide each one of these things over the end, and then we will use one of these screws to screw them all together. So now we've got that in, we're just going to take our wheels and they're just going to snap right into place on the bottom of here. So that is a nice and easy step. Then we will flip it over and we're going to add in our hydraulic pump. We will stick that up and that will allow this to raise up and down. Now this can go up and down 3.94 inches. So now we will start on our base and we have to put this part on. So now we've got our seat right here. We're going to flip that over and you can see your aerial for front right here. We're going to match that to the front on this. So that way they're in the right places. That is really nice that they add that extra guidance for you to make sure that you get that on the right way. I've done a lot of chairs that don't have that and it can be kind of confusing. So that's a nice little feature. All right, so now that we've got this done, we have to add these two together. Now they say the tip is to put this on a box and then you can easily put this part onto the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little table that we can use. All right, so I've got this up against a wall and now we've got our back. We're just gonna lay this over these four. And then it says just to push against this and then you can add your screws in a little bit easier here. Now that we've got the seat attached to the back, all we've got to do is line this part up with this little hole in the bottom here, and we are all finished. And there we go. We've got a 360 swivel chair. We're going to go get this in my office and try it out. So this chair allows you to recline back 40 degrees. So that's a really nice, you can sit here and rock, you can have your legs out. Without those arms in there, you are free to move however you want to sit. You want to sit in the chair with your pets and make sure they have room to sit with you. That works out too. This velvet is so soft and comfortable. So I really like how this chair is armless and how wide this seat is, because I can sit in here with my dog and we're hanging out. That's plenty of room on here. We can recline back, sit however we want to sit, and just be comfortable for a nice day of work or lounging.